and we go in Chaturbhujadandasana. Needless to say, sometimes so there are 2000 variations of sun salutation. Okay, so some people they go generally immediately to Dandasana, and after that immediately to child pose. Some people they go to Chaturbhujadandasana, after that they go to Ashtanga Namaskar. But Chaturbhujadandasana is something which is very essential for building your arm muscles, for building your even the middle portion of it, trunk of it. And it is very much important that particularly in case of Chaturbhujadandasana also you keep your concentration on throat. Okay, because your body is literally slender, almost kind of 20 to 30 degree, making an angle to the ground. So all Vishuddhi chakra advantage you get in a Chaturbhujadandasana. Plus you also have a strength, develop strength in your backbone. One of the best asana to keep you balancing completely on your toes and hands. And I have seen that many of people in Chaturbhujadandasana, they are not able to keep themselves balanced, and they ultimately have to leave Chaturbhujadandasana. Then there can be definitely people say they can go to Ashtanga Yoga, they can go to child pose, or some of the variations are also say that they can go to Parvatasana, right? But when you are going from Chaturbhujadandasana to the Ashtanga Namaskar, generally people they just sleep. Okay, they throw their body on the earth. Okay, that's not correct. The actual position to get the best advantage of it, touch your forehead first to the ground, and you will find it is very difficult. Then touch your nose to the ground. Then you touch your chest to the ground. Then you can touch your both the knees to the ground, right? And your toes are there already touching to the ground. So Ashtanga Namaskar, 8 organs are touching to the ground. And you would believe in this case this is where we have shifted our attention from Vishuddhi chakra to Manipur chakra now. Now the Surya Namaskar says that you are coming to the actual digestion. And Ashtanga Namaskar gives you a very big advantage of digestion. Which this particularly Manipur chakra, which has a yellow, what you can say, yellow color, right? It has it is connected with the, if you are weak in digestion, your digestive juices are not correct, okay, they are less in number, then definitely Ashtanga Namaskar is very important. And now you will find, see, Manipur chakra is very difficult to activate. That's why people have tummy, right? Okay, people have tummy because Manipur chakra is not activated. If Manipur chakra is activated, you have good digestion, no tummy. Very simple. To activate it, what is the position required? Ashtanga Namaskar. So that your knees should be connected to ground, your chest should be connected, but the middle portion should be up. My God, this is jugglery. Okay. But to activate something, you need particular position. That's the reason that this position to be brought. So, and then there is a child pose, definitely. But before that, after the Ashtanga Namaskar, it is very common. Now, this is a very common step, is to go to the Bhujangasana, right? That is a you can say serpent face, or you can say that the kind of snake snake position. So Bhujangasana. So again Bhujangasana, there are hundreds of variations. The major three variations that some people they touch their elbow to the ground. Some people they just touch there's some portion of their palm. Some people they keep their hands beside your this one shoulder. Some people keep in front of shoulder. So there are variations, but ultimately you will find that you are again keeping your complete dhyan on the Swadhisthana chakra. So, but it does not mean that other chakras are not activated. In this also case, Vishuddhi chakra is also activated. So Swadhisthana chakra is activated, and here the Swadhisthana chakra is heavily activated in this case. Your complete attention should be on Swadhisthana chakra. You will get the definitely health of backbone. You will get the health of your complete tummy. Your tummy intake muscles will be reduced. Your chest will be protruding forward, right? But the whole concentration should be on the Swadhisthana chakra. So you will find that a particular asana is having a particular attention.